Hi, this is Elisa with REProphet, and I just wanted to show you a cool new feature inside of REProphet. I'm on the transactions page, and I'm just going to search the word income here in my search window. That's going to bring up everything I've classified as income inside of REProphet. That'll populate here, and then I'm going to move over to transaction details. Under transaction details, you've got some more information, and I just wanted to walk you through deposit details and make sure that you are filling this out. It's one of the most valuable features inside of REProphet. It's actually my favorite feature inside of REProphet. This is where your ROI, or return on investment report, is going to populate from. So you're going to open up Source and you're going to see this list. This list might look familiar. It is the subcategories of lead generation, the category lead generation on your profit and loss statement. These are all of the subcategories of lead generation expenses. Whether you've created custom lead generation subcategories or just are using the lead generation subcategories the system comes with, they're all here. So let's say this client actually came to me through an Instagram ad. And so that's my source that I'm putting in here. This is the source of where this income came from. It is where I found my client. It is where this lead came from. Source. Probably pretty self-explanatory, but I just wanted to really make sure that that was understood. So you're going to put your source in, or if you have our premium Profit Assist subscription, your Profit Assistant will put that in for you with your input. And then you're going to add in your GCI. So you probably know what your GCI is, but just in case you want a little explanation, it's the money that comes in before you're split with your brokerage, before a referral fee is paid out, before a team split, etc. It's your gross commission income. It's that larger number. If you don't know where to find it, your closing paperwork should have something labeled GCI, or if you aren't sure what you're looking at, please get in touch with us and we can walk you through it and find that number with you. It's just support@reprofit.com if you need to reach out, or you can call us at 860-937-6868, or your Profit Assistant can do this for you. Okay, so under gross commission income, I'm going to add that number from my closing paperwork, perhaps my commission description paperwork, or my DA, wherever that's located for you, for your brokerage, that's what you're going to put there. And then you're going to tab over. And you can see when you tab over that a number automatically populates here. Your cost of sale has been automatically categorized for you. And the way that that works is it's basically the amount here subtracted from the amount here. So it's your check subtracted from your GCI. That's your cost of sale. What's the definition of cost of sale? What does it mean? Basically, it's just the number that the amount of money that only gets paid out when you get paid. You only pay a brokerage split when your transaction closes and you get paid. You only pay a referral fee when your transaction closes and you get paid. So cost of sale is the money you pay out. It's the expense that you pay to be paid. So tracking cost of sale is actually extremely important for realtors, but most accounting software does not do that automatically or doesn't have a place to do that because accountants don't care about cost of sale necessarily. This is a business metric for your own business purposes to know exactly what it's costing you to make your money. It's important because splits, referral fees, what are the most expensive ways to make money and what are the least expensive ways for you to make money, and how can you direct your business in such a way that cost of sale is the lowest and your profitability is the highest. We're going to move down here to categorizing cost of sale. This is the new feature that I think is really exciting. I'm going to delete some of these so we can just start from scratch so you'll know what it looks like. Here's what it will look like. You have to save your transaction details first. Oh, I didn't save my Instagram source. That's where that came from. Okay, so we've saved our deposit details. We've saved all of that. Once we've done that, then we can hit this button, Categorize Cost of Sale, open that up. You can see this says remaining cost of sale amount. Why would it say that? You'll find out. It's very exciting. Okay, so one thing that REProphet could not do before was split out cost of sale. We could generate it for you, But let's say some other fees that weren't technically the definition of cost of sale, meaning money that you only would pay out if you had closed a transaction, splits, referral fees, etc. There's other things that might have gotten lumped in there from your brokerage. Photographer fees, transaction coordination fees, charitable giving, administration fees, per transaction fees. There's any number of fees that aren't strictly the definition of cost of sale that may have been incorporated in the cost of sale with these numbers, with your GCI. So now you have the ability to categorize cost of sale and pull out expenses that are not technically cost of sale that may be deductible operating expenses. Very exciting. I'm gonna just say I had a transaction coordinator. They cost $350. They do a great job. I'm going to add that number here, and then I'm going to click subtract expense. When I do that, source will pop up over here to the right, and then I'm going to open this up, and this should look familiar. These are the categories of expenses on your profit and loss operating expenses. So you can head down to salaries and benefits, professional services, and save by hitting submit categorize cost of sale. And now your remaining cost of sale amount will go down. This $350 subtracted no longer will live under cost of sale, but will populate on your operating expenses under professional salaries and benefits, professional services, or obviously whatever subcategory, custom subcategory you've made for a transaction coordinator, whatever. Now we're going to go ahead and add another number. This is going to be categorizing our cost of sales. So let's say this was an Instagram ad, but I actually had to pay a referral fee as well for some reason. No one knows why. But for the purpose of my experiment, we're pretending I'm paying a referral fee right now. Okay, so I'm going to enter in my referral fee. It was $1,000, and I'm going to just categorize it right there. Referral fee. Submit categorize cost of sale. That's going to save it. And obviously you can hit submit at the end and save everything at once. You don't have to keep doing it, but that's just how I do it. So that is going to show you exactly, again, where the money you paid out to get paid went. So I created a custom category called brokerage, and that's my split with my brokerage. And then I'm just going to add one more thing. I actually gave a charitable donation when my transaction closed out in the amount of $35. And that is actually an operating expense. It's a charitable contribution. So I'm going to subtract expense right here. When I click that, source of the expense will pop up, and I will move down to other expenses, charitable contribution, and save that. Cool. Okay, so that is how you use cost of sale. If you have any questions about categorizing cost of sale, generating cost of sale, where you find your GCI, or literally any questions that you have about REProphet, please don't hesitate to get in touch. It's our favorite thing to talk about. We love helping people learn more about their business, know more about their finances, and feel more in control of their profit and help their business grow. It's our favorite thing to do at REProphet. Please give us a call. Don't hesitate to be in touch. And we hope that you are having a lovely day.